How are you? Hope all the lovely and nice students of class 2, they are very fit, fine and safe at their homes. So, in the last class, dear students, I gave you a homework and I am hoping that you all have done your work on time. Okay. So, the homework was very easy because you have to do only matching only. Then, yes. So, shall we start the new exercise of today? Everybody is ready with the EVS notebook, eraser and pencil. All of you ready? Shall I start? Okay. So, I am going to start the class, the exercise of chapter number 2. So, first what I will write over here? I will write your class because you all are studying in class 2. And what is the chapter? Which chapter is going on? Yes, chapter number 2 is going on. And can anybody tell me what is the name of the chapter? Yes, the name of the chapter is food. But I am writing over here because I need the place to write the exercise over here. है ना? But you will not write as like me same. You will write chapter number 2. Then on the next line you will write the name of the chapter. Okay? Okay. So what is the next exercise? Open your EVS book, take out page number 1515 and start writing along with me. First we will complete in the book, then we will write in the notebook also. Okay? So, shall I start? Everybody has the book. Hope you all students have the EVS book is in your hand. Okay? Okay. So, this is your exercise number C which we are going to do today. This wali beta. This one is the exercise number C which we are going to do now. Okay. So, let's see what is the heading. The heading of this is part number 4. This is video number 5 actually. Okay. Now, what is the heading? The heading is complete. Beta, there is a space problem and I am recording this video with my cell phone and cell phone का जो कैमरा होता है उसकी भी एक लिमिट होती है, ठीक है? So complete the words. Complete the words. Okay, it means in this exercise there is a statement which is incompleted and we have to choose the right word and then we will fill that. Okay. So let's see what are these. Number 1, we need food when we feel what? When we feel what? So, we need food when we feel hungry and hungerness, yes, and we all are feeling hungry is in our stomach. So, the H word is written over here already. H word is already written over here. So, we will write the remaining words. Okay. So, H-U-N-G R-Y, hungry. When we need food when we feel hungry. Right, number 2, food gives us food give us what? Food give us energy. Energy to work and play. So let's write the spelling of energy. E-N-E-R-G-Y. Energy. E-N-E-R-G-Y. Energy. Let's write number 3. A balanced diet keeps us what? Keeps us blank. So, a balanced diet keeps always us healthy. Keeps always us healthy. Okay. So, Healthy. Whenever we include the healthy balanced diet is in our routine, is in our food, definitely we will get healthy and fit. Number 4, water helps in the digestion of what? So water helps us in the digestion of food. Whatever food we all are eating, when we will drink the plenty of water, the sufficient water, then definitely our food will digest nicely. Let's write number 5th, last one. We should take a light. We should take a light what? So we should take a light dinner always. है ना? Spelling of dinner I am going to write over here. D-I-N-N-E-R. Dinner. We always should take a light dinner. So this is your exercise number C. I am not in front of the board, so you can note down nicely in your book as well as your notebook. आपको इसे कॉपी में भी लिखना है और किताबों में भी लिखना है. You have to write as in your notebook as well as in your book also. First you will write in book. पहले आप किताब में लिखेंगे. After that you will write in your notebook. So once again I am going to read for you whatever is written. Number 1, we need food when we feel hungry. H-U-N-G-R-Y. Hungry. Number 2, food gives us E-N-E-R-G-Y. Energy. Energy to work and play. Number 3, a balanced diet keeps us healthy. The spelling of healthy, H-E-A-L-T-H-Y. Healthy. And after each and every sentence you have to put the full stop. If your sentence will complete, put the full stop. Water. Number 4, water helps in the digestion of food. Whatever food we all are having, we all are eating, when we will have the plenty of water in a day, then definitely our food will digest nicely. Number 5, we should take a light dinner. Dinner should play, to work and play, to work and play. We need a food to work and play, or food help us to grow nicely also. है ना, food help us to grow nicely. So we need food to grow, work and play. We need food to grow, work and play. This also we can mention. Okay. Now question number 2. How many times do you take meal? How many times do you take meal? When we discussed about the meal timing, then we read about that the meal timing. So how many times we have the meal? So we usually eat 3 kinds of meal in a day. Answer number 2. We usually eat 3 kinds of meal in a day. In a day. Okay. So note down first. Then we will write number 3, 4 and 5. Take a screenshot fatafat and write with good handwriting is in your notebook. Okay, hope you have taken the screenshot nicely, or you can pause the screen. You have so many options. Now let's write question number 3. Question number 3. What is a balanced diet? What is a balanced diet? What is a balanced diet? एक balanced diet क्या होती है? A diet that has these type of food at different time of the day. It makes a balanced diet. Okay. So let's write answer number 3. A diet that has we have to write the names of those animals. So those food items, sorry. Now here I am going to see, I am not in front of the board. Take the screenshot फटाफट, otherwise pause the screen. I am going to the question number 3 and on the place of question number 3 I will write question number 5 and answer number 5. Question number 5 as well as answer number 5 also. Question number 5. Name 3 food. Name 3 food that comes from animal. बेटा आपको क्वेश्चन अगर देखने में प्रॉब्लम है तो क्वेश्चन आप बुक से भी लिख सकते हो. ओके, सो लेट्स राइट द आंसर. आंसर नंबर 5. नेम 3 फूड दैट कम्स फ्रॉम एनिमल्स. सो नंबर 1, सॉरी, नेम्स आर egg, comma, honey, egg, comma, honey and meat. These food items we all are getting from animals. Okay? So here we are finishing your exercise of the chapter. यहाँ पर हम आपके चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज खत्म कर रहे हैं. और ये जो पजल दी हुई है, this puzzle, बेटा this puzzle I am giving you as a homework. ये पजल मैं आपको होमवर्क के तौर पर दे रही हूँ, ये आपको करना है. और वन मोर थिंग, इसके अलावा भी एक बात और है, वो ये है कि फूड है ना, तो यहाँ पर एक एक्टिविटी दी हुई है. देयर इज वन एक्टिविटी इज गिवन इन दिस चैप्टर. सोक अ कप ऑफ ग्रीन lentils of moong overnight, drain the water and next morning. ओके बेटा, यहाँ पर हाउ टू मेक दी स्प्राउट्स है ना, जो अंकुरित अनाज होते हैं, जो स्प्राउट्स होते हैं, दैट इज वेरी हेल्दी फॉर अस. यहाँ पर उसको बनाने की रेसिपी दी हुई है. सो आपको क्या करना है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर ममा यू विल टेक अ बोल ऑफ मूंग. आपको एक कटोरी मूंग लेना है. देन यू विल पुट द वाटर, टेक अ बिग bowl and keep the cup of moong on that bowl and put some water and let the soak in the water whole night. आपको उसको overnight पानी में soak होने देना है, भीगने देना है. Then in the next morning what you will do, you will drain out the water है ना, and place the, और उसके बाद क्या करेंगे, take a big and clean cloth. उसके बाद आपको एक साफ सुथरा कपड़ा लेना है और उस कपड़े में उस मूंग को रखना है एंड टाई द मूंग, और उस मूंग को बांध देना है. एंड द वेरी नेक्स्ट डे यू विल सी दैट ऑल द मूंग्स हैव द स्मॉल वाइट थ्रेड्स लाइक है ना, वो जितने भी मूंग हैं वो सारे उग जाएंगे, अंकुरित हो जाएंगे, उनमें जीवन आ जाएगा. ठीक है, सो उससे आपको एक सैलेड बनाना है एंड यू विल मेक अ वीडियो एंड सेंड टू मी. आई विल शेयर ऑन द ग्रुप्स. ठीक है, आपको स्प्राउट्स बनाने की जो पूरी प्रोसेस होती है, उस प्रोसेस का एक वीडियो बनाना है और उस वीडियो को आपको मुझे भेजना है. ठीक है, आप उसमें क्या करेंगे, आप सबसे पहले एक कटोरी, हिंदी में बता दे रही हूँ सारी चीजें, एक कटोरी मूंग लेंगे, फिर उसको एक बर्तन में डालेंगे, उसमें पानी डालेंगे और पूरी रात उसको पानी में भीगने देंगे. और दूसरे दिन सुबह आप उसका सारा पानी निकाल देंगे और उसको फिर एक साफ क्लीन क्लोथ में बांध देंगे और फिर एक दिन तक वैसे ही रहने देंगे। और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग में जब आप उसको खोलेंगे तो आप देखेंगे कि आपके जो मूंग थे उनमें सब में जीवन आ गया है, ठीक है। और उसके बाद आप लेंगे अनियन, टमाटो और कुकुम्बर, अनियन, टमाटो, कुकुम्बर एंड दैट कोरिएंडर, हरा धनिया, ठीक है। और मम्मी की हेल्प से आप उसको प्रॉपरली बारीक बारीक चॉप करेंगे, बारीक बारीक काटेंगे और उसमें आप उसको मिक्स करेंगे और फिर उसको खाएंगे। और ये सारी प्रोसेस का पूरा वीडियो आपको बनाकर मुझे भेजना है, ठीक है। So hope you will do all these things and you will send me the video. Okay, so this is your entire exercise. Today we are going to finish chapter number 2. Soon we will start chapter number 3. Okay, so till then, bye bye. Have a nice day. God bless you. Take care of yourself and hope whatever activity I told you, you all are good students of class 2. You will definitely make the video and send it to me.